What would make the cut if I was starting from scratch picking cleaning products for my home? These are my 15 ride or die, can't live without cleaning favorites that I think every home needs. I have shared so many cleaning products over the years, and I'm often asked, okay, yeah, but Jill, if you could only pick a handful of items, what would they be? And so that is what this list is all about today. Everything's gonna be linked in the description. I have narrowed this down to items that work really well, save us time, and make cleaning easier. Number one, let's just kick it off with a favorite here in the laundry room, and that is a good stain remover because we all get stains and we all need to get them out. Now, if you use a quality laundry detergent, a lot of times that's going to be enough, but sometimes you want a little extra oomph, or maybe the detergent just isn't cutting it, and for that, I would grab one of these two stain removers, if not both. I love Carbona and the Miss Mouth Messy Eater Stain Treater, say that 5 times fast. Both are so, so good. Now, Carbona, I'm telling you, has never let me down. This one is so good. Fresh stains, old stains, set-in stains, you name it. It really is incredible. I love this one so much. Miss Mouth, I also love and have had great success with that. The only thing I'll say about this is there have been instances where I've used this on colorful fabrics and it does slightly fade it. So I would stick to only white fabrics for this, and it really excels on like fresh food stains. So it's a good one to keep in your purse if you're at a restaurant, but both are awesome. You will not be disappointed. Both are definitely worth having on hand. Number two, microfiber cloths. I would get a pack of these and have several on hand because you can clean so much of your home with these. You do not need a ton of cleaners from the store. Honestly, just a microfiber cloth and some water can do your dusting. You can clean electronics, your glass and mirrors, your surfaces. They're so versatile. So having a good pack of quality microfiber is essential. Number three, a good stainless steel spray. Now let me tell you, I have tried so many. Honestly, it got to the point where I was convinced that no stainless steel spray worked because I did not find any I liked and that actually left the surface streak free, until this spray by Wyman. For me, this one works the best. Now they have an aerosol or they have an actual spray and they have wipes. I personally really only like the spray, but some people really love the aerosol and some people love the wipes. So test them out, see what works for you. And this is not to say that there aren't others that might work really well for you, but for me, this is hands down the best I've ever tried. I love it. I use it with a microfiber cloth, and it's the only thing that truly leaves my stainless and streak-free. Number four, the Pink Stuff Cream Cleanser. This is one of my favorite cleaners to use in the bathroom or the kitchen sink or your countertops. It's very versatile, and I just like that it's creamy and it lathers really well. Now you could also make your own version sort of this with just baking soda and dish soap. It's also gonna be a creamy cleanser that produces good lather. So either way, but I feel like a cleaner like this is essential, again, for cleaning your bathroom or your sink in those areas where you just really want a good lather and scrub. Number five, of course, is a good quality dish soap. For me, I love the brand Attitude because it is cleaner ingredients, but it still produces really good suds. Sometimes it's a little bit of a trade-off and you might get cleaner ingredients, but then there's like no suds. I still need good suds, but I don't want some of the harsh ingredients. So this is the best of both worlds. I will never go back. This is my absolute favorite, but whatever one you like, you just, of course, are always going to need a good quality dish soap. Number six is a good scrubber of some sort, whether that is a manual scrubber or an electric scrubber. I love both. It's gonna come down to, do you wanna recharge an electric scrubber or what is the price point you're looking to spend? But either way, they're really gonna just save you elbow grease so you don't have to scrub everything by hand with a cloth. Of course, that works for a lot of cleaning, but there are always gonna be those instances where you just need a little better scrubbing power than what we can do by hand. And one of these scrubbers works great. I will link my favorites in the description. Number seven, I have raved about in so many videos, and that is a pan scraper. These are so affordable, and I don't know about you, but I use mine every single day. So I always, however I cook our eggs, they always stick to the pan. So this is a lifesaver in getting my pans clean, but there's so many uses for it around the home too. If you have burnt on oven or stove messes, it's gonna help scrape those loose, getting labels off of things. This can even tighten a screw. Such a multi-purpose universal tool, definitely needed in the cleaning caddy. Number eight is a good quality sponge, and for me, you can't beat Scrub Daddy. So I love either Scrub Daddy or Scrub Mommy, and they have a whole line of products, and honestly, they're all great. So just this brand in general, you can't go wrong. I love them for cleaning the kitchen sink, all around the bathroom. And the beautiful thing about them is they're a non-scratch material and they stay firm in cold water or they get soft and pliable in hot water. And the design of them makes them easy to grip. You can just put your fingers in the little eye holes and you can clean utensils in the mouth of the smiley face. So they're cute, but they're also really good sponges too. Number 9 is a soap dispensing brush. Yes, I love these for cleaning dishes, but I actually love these more for keeping in the bathroom to clean your bathroom sink or your tub or your shower when you're in it for a good little quick clean. So many uses for these. They're so easy. So again, I just fill one with dish soap, keep it under our bathroom sink. Then some days if I'm getting in the shower and I'm like, I don't have time to give it a deep clean, I just want to quickly wipe down the obvious messes, I just bring it in with me, give it a quick little, wipe down. Or if I'm brushing my teeth and I notice the sink bowl is dirty, it's an easy way to just be able to quickly clean that and make it look cleaner longer. So love a soap dispensing brush. Number 10, I'm actually gonna share 2 items, but these are the easiest ways to clean your ceiling fans and your baseboards, which without these 2 gadgets, I would probably never clean my ceiling fans and my baseboards because they're a pain, but these make it so much easier. So first, the ceiling fan duster, literally so simple. It goes over the blades. It's gonna clean the top and the bottom at the same time, trap the dust inside. Easy peasy, you can knock out ceiling fans in a couple minutes. And then this baseboard tool is such an easy way to just walk around your home and give those baseboards a light dust. Of course, cleaning by hand is always gonna clean them better, but we don't have time for that all the time. So this is gonna help you quickly clean them and buy you time until you can clean them by hand. Both are very useful and have more than one use because you could use either of them for walls, for blinds, for the corners of your ceiling and your wall, your trim around windows and doors. So more uses than just what they're intended for. Now I talked about Scrub Daddy sponges. Number 11 is the Scrub Daddy Power Paste. This stuff, so good, so multi-use all around your home. My favorite use for this is for soap scum and hard water on glass shower doors. It is like one of the only things I have found that really busts through that buildup to get them looking new again, but you can use this product in your kitchen, outside, truly all over your home. This is a really good one and it lasts a long time. Number 12, cleaning tablets of some sort. I love ones by Active or Afresh. These are so great because they're a shortcut, but they actually work really well. So we do need to clean the things that clean for us, like our washing machine, our dishwasher. And so the easiest way to do that, at least in my opinion, I don't know about you, I don't want to be scrubbing these by hand. So instead, just drop one of these tablets in once or twice a month and let it do the rest. They truly clean so well. And not only is that going to help extend the life of your machines, but then they can do a better job cleaning themselves. So definitely have these in your cleaning caddy. Number 13 is either Bonam or Barkeeper's Friend. Bonam I consider sort of like a cleaner version of Barkeeper's Friend, but these are really good to have on hand for cleaning a lot of stubborn kitchen messes, burnt pans. I just sprinkle it in, let it sit a little bit, the mess slides right off. Your stove, your oven, I mean, they have a ton of uses all over your home and they're inexpensive, so definitely worth having in the caddy as well. If you have pets, you definitely need number 14. This is the Rocco and Roxy spray. This is so good for pet messes. It's an enzymatic formula, which in my opinion is great for pet messes. It's gonna help with odors and getting rid of the stains. We use this, our dog is older and has accidents a lot, so we go through this and you better believe as soon as this bottle runs out, I am quickly ordering another one because I have to have this on hand. It works so well. And before we get to my last absolute must-have, can't live without item, let me just say, you also wanna keep on hand some basics. Baking soda, vinegar, peroxide, rubbing alcohol. There's so much you can do with these. They're staple products and just really good to have on hand. Okay, and then lastly, number 15, there's actually 2 products here, but I cannot live without either of these, and that is a cordless vacuum and a vac mop. I absolutely love both. A, because they just make it so quick and easy to keep up with your floors and clean them versus lugging out a vacuum and having to plug it in and then they're big and bulky, or lugging out a mop and bucket. Both of these items make it just so much easier to keep up with our floors. It's nothing now at the end of the day when I'm cleaning up the kitchen to grab the cordless vacuum and just do a quick sweep of obvious crumbs, and then once or twice a week to do the vac mop to help vacuum and mop my floors. Now, I have several that I love. I feel like I've tested so many over the years, so I will link my absolute favorites in the description, but you cannot go wrong. These are total time savers and just make it easier to clean your floors. All right, and that does it. Hopefully this was helpful if you are trying to decide what items you really need around your home for cleaning. Of course, there are so many more cleaning products out there, but these are just the ones that I think you definitely will get the most use out of, and they really can knock out every chore around your house. So again, everything's gonna be linked in the description below, but be sure to check out my Amazon storefront where I have every other cleaning gadget I love too, some for specific areas and some that are multi-use, but these are definitely great ones to get you started.